We are looking at how to pronounce these words as well as how to say more long words, some of the longest ones in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you pronounce this and what is it? You may be wondering, is that even a thing? Well, it is. It is a shape that has 9,999 sides. Yes, that's what it is. Anyhow, so how do you say it? Nonanonacontanonactanonaliagon. Yeah, easy. You can play this video slower if you want to hear it slowly, or I can do that for you maybe. Nonanonacontanonactanonaliagon. Yeah, easy. If you want to say it properly, that is to say quickly, Nonanonacontanonactanonaliagon. And now, you know. Did you hear this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for your support. Like the video if you found it amusing or useful. More videos here on how to say long words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.